Hi, welcome. I am Susan and I work here at the Rogers Public Library, and I am going to show you a fisherman netting wrap jar for the Take It Make It. In this kit, you will get a jar, some netting, some twine to put around the top, and some glue. We are going to start with the jars, and here are the colored jars. You won't need the lid, so you can put all that off to the side. Then we have this B7000 glue, which obviously you do not want it to get on your clothes. Be careful with your fingers. You will take it and you'll pop it open, and then that's how you'll use it. And so then you'll take your glue, and if you want it to be even smaller, thinner glue, you can take this and put the extender on there, and then it will come out a thinner line. And you'll just pour some glue over the side like that. And you have a little bit in between each one to get it to stay. And then you'll take your netting and you will put it on the glue. And here's where toothpicks will help. And you'll just stick it like this and hold it. And I would hold it for almost 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, until it will stay. And then once that stays, you'll add a little bit more glue to the end, and then you'll bring this up and then hold this down until this stays. And make sure that it's kind of tight on here, not too tight, but tight so it will stay. And the toothpicks will help. Well, it's supposed to help not get too much glue on your fingers. And you'll have to just keep pressing it down in certain spots to make sure it stays. And then you'll want to let that sit overnight. After it's glued and it's not coming around, you'll want to put some glue on the edges, on the bottom here, and then take your toothpicks and push down so that these will stay. And you might have to do sections at a time. And it's okay if it sits for a little bit, the glue. It's not really fast drying, so if you need to move things around, it's totally fine. It will stay glued after that. And then once that is set and glued, you'll take your scissors and you'll cut off the little nubbies that you have on the ends. And if it won't sit still, this one sits pretty still though. You won't have to worry about it. But if it's like wobbly, then go through and cut off the nubbies that are sticking up, that are making it wobbly on there. Now we're going to put the twine on the outer edge of it. You'll just take it and see, you'll just want to hold it in place for a little bit because it takes it a second to couple minutes actually. You'll just do this all the way around. Once this sits and you take your finger up and it won't come up anymore, then you'll know it's ready. You can move on to the rest of around the other piece of the twine. Once you get the twine all the way around, cut it off at an angle, and it will lay better. More flush with the rest of it. And then you might need to put a little dollop of glue, but there's still some there and it's sticking right to it just fine. And then set that aside for a few minutes and let it fully set, the glue. Now once the glue's set, you see these little nubbies that are right there. You can just go through and cut them off. And just go through the whole things and just cut them all off. And then you have your jar, or your fishnet jar right here. So this kit also comes with dirt and an aloe vera plant. And when you pick up the kit, all of it will come with it. And then you'll just transfer your dirt and your aloe vera plant to this, and then you'll have a cute little beachy planter that you can put up. Thank you for joining us for Oceans of Possibilities, the adult summer reading Take It, Make It program. I hope you enjoyed this kit for fish netting wrap jars and with an aloe vera plant. And we look forward to seeing you in the library.